Kia ora and welcome back. I'm joined by Lauren to unpack a key topic: change. It's important to understand what employment conditions you can and cannot change for someone on an accredited employer work visa or AEWV.
Thanks, Brendan. This is a really important area. The AEWV is quite specific. It only allows a migrant worker to work for a particular employer, job, and location or locations. So if you need to change any of those things as an employer, the worker will need to apply to Immigration New Zealand for a job change. For the worker to be granted a job change, there needs to be a job token available for this new role. If a token is not available, you need to apply for a new job check.
That's very important, Lauren, and here's the golden rule. Don't make any changes to your AEWV worker's role or work arrangements until they're approved by Immigration New Zealand.
Exactly, and it's not just about where they work. The AEWV visas also include conditions like the pay rate, which must meet or exceed the pay rate approved in the job check. Employers can't reduce that. It has to stay the same or improve.
And that's a very good point. Another condition to be careful about changing is the occupation itself. If a role is significantly different, you will need a new job check, and workers moving into that role will need a job change or a new visa. If the workers do apply for a job change, they'll need to meet any qualification or work experience requirements that you've listed in the new job advertisement.
Also, if you're using a triangular employment arrangement where your worker is placed with a different business, that must have been approved during the original job check. You cannot add that in later through a variation.
So, what then can be varied and changed without a new job token? Mostly it's things that keep the visa aligned with genuine changes in your business structure, potentially like updating an employer's name after a business sale or restructure. In these situations, a worker can apply for a visa with a streamlined job check that does not require a new job token.
Right. But if your circumstances change in a way that doesn't fit within variation rules, then they'll need to apply for a new visa. Their visa conditions must always match the situation they're actually working in. You can find more information about job changes in the link on your screen now.
So, the key takeaway for employers is don't assume that you can just change roles or locations. Check the specific visa conditions, and if in doubt, support your worker to apply for a variation or for a job change. And wait for approval before you make any employment changes in the workplace.
Exactly. It's all about staying compliant and protecting your workers' ability to remain in New Zealand. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.